Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jagdish. First of all, thank you very much for checking out my video. So today we are going to see about the short video machine review. So in this review, I'm going to take you the sales page of the short video machine and then the prices of this short video machine as well as I'm going to give you my unique bonuses as well, right? So let's move on to this short video machine review. So right now we are in this sales page of the short video machine, and you can see that the sales page says that profit right now from YouTube Shorts algorithm in 2022. Create and upload hundreds of videos every single day with complete automation and generate traffic in less than a day to your offers. And so why short video machine you are needed means short videos are videos shorter than 1 minute, but typically there are 5 to 30 seconds. So why short videos are using? Short videos are quick and easy bite-sized versions of normal videos. Nowadays, in these fast times, we have the attention span of intoxicated housefly. The change of watching the world video is much higher if the video is short and entertaining. Okay, so and much more in this information about the short video machine, and he is the creator of this short video machine, right? His name is Eric Smithna, a full-time affiliate marketer, and he offer this product. And before we are going to see the detailed information about the short video machine review, I'm going to show my unique bonus, right? Once you are clicking through my link in the description, it's going to redirect this page. Okay, so Gracie bundle bonus, and then you have to pay attention. My free bonus offers expire in 2 days, 21 hours, 47, and like that. In this timer hit 0, so before that you click and then get this product with these bonuses. So now I'm going to tell about the bonus number 1, that is the find trending topics for YouTube in 2022 with the best tool. Okay, so in this bonus number 1, I am offering you this is the one of the best YouTube product, right? So I believe this is the one of the most important video inside of the training about finding trending topics in YouTube, as well in this easy guide showing you scratch to find the trending topic for YouTube. Actually, this is the complete free to use. I recently introduced this feature that includes YouTube searches, right? And in this bonus number 1, you will find what kind of things people are searching for on YouTube, and which topics are trending, and how to do trending research, and how to use keywords and the profit make it a sales finally, and how to turn them into the views and the subscribers. So definitely this is something you need, right? This is what is the bonus number 1, right? So next we are move on to this bonus number 2, that is the million traffic and affiliate sales from Quora. So in this bonus number 2, I believe this is the one of the most important video. So inside the training about getting more real and organic traffic views and then traffics, right? So how to turn them successfully to into the leads and then sales. So this is what is the bonus number 2, million traffic and affiliate sales from Quora. And in this bonus number 2, you will find how to create a ClickBank account successfully. So this is the new tricks and new methodology to create the ClickBank account, and then how to choose the affiliate product, which is most number of buyers want to eagerly want to buy this product. And that is a secret tricks everything is in this bonus number 2. Along with how to build a lead generation easy and simple. And the third thing is you are going to learn is in this bonus number 2 how to get a real organic traffic from Quora and organic to your website with the step by step to the passive there is a massive traffic and turns them into the sales. This is what is inside in this bonus number 2, right? So next we are move on to this bonus number 3. So the bonus number 3 is that is the software that automates traffic on Facebook plus extract a listing of group IDs with keywords, right? So in this bonus number 3, I am offering the Facebot, that is the one of the best automated tool, which is a great software Chrome extension plugin for Facebook only, right? So it's a traffic on autopilot, and it also post multiple Facebook group at once. That is the simple thing. So if you are if you have a Facebook page and you have a huge number of followers, as well you have to join multiple groups, and you need to send your information to the multiple groups one by one. It is a huge number of time you have taken, right? But this one of the best tool, which is you can share your information within the single button click, right? This is what is the bonus number 3, and it allows the post multiple Facebook groups at once. Okay, you can post multiple Facebook group at once. So note, it is not a that is a official unofficial method. Okay, and extract listing of Facebook group IDs and the data from keywords along with step-by-step training video is inside in this bonus number 3. Definitely you will learn and earn. Okay, so this is the bonus number 3. Next we are move on to this bonus number 4. So best marketing tool in 2022. So in this bonus number 4, I am offering the best marketing tool for YouTube. Okay, so it is a new and easy way to get more views and subscriber to your YouTube, and that is completely free. Okay, it is completely free, and inside the training video is showing how to use it to get the more views and then subscriber. And inside the training you will get the how to use this tool to get the YouTube algorithm to boost your channel, and then to get the real views, real subscriber, real likes on YouTube for your YouTube channel, right? Along with, you will find how to boost the YouTube algorithm, get views instantly, and then how to use those views to profit from affiliate marketing, and then how to retain an audience, and then with the likes and subscriber, and how to turns into these sales and then leads. Okay, so everything in this bonus number 4. So that is the best marketing tool in 2022. Actually this tool is even the monetized YouTube channel also using this tool to getting more views and then subscriber, and then they are also sell the affiliate product also. This is the bonus number 4. Okay, so next we are moving to this bonus number 5. That is it automates the traffic on TikTok. Okay, this is the one of the best tool for TikTok promotion. That is the Nova product. Okay, so in this fifth bonus I am offering the Nova version, that is the pro version. So a great software Chrome extension plugin for TikTok. It's a traffic on autopilot. It allows the following that follow the target audience along with the step training also included in this bonus number 5. So not only this bonus, additionally I will give next bonus. Just a second. Next, this is the special bonuses for exclusively for you. Okay, so this is the bonus number 1, exclusive bonus number 1, that is the viral video WP theme. And the next exclusive bonus number 2 is viral secret exposed, and exclusive bonus number 3 is rapid Instagram profits, and exclusive bonus number 4 is modern vlogging, and then exclusive bonus number 5 is there is the YouTube views, that is 6,66,317 YouTube views case study. And then how to exclusive bonus number 6 is how to become a successful social media influencer. And how exclusive bonus number 7, there is the case study about the leads and then sales. And then exclusive bonus number 8, there is the personal branding blueprint. And then exclusive bonus number 9 is storytelling marketing, and exclusive bonus number 10, that is the buyer traffic or buyer triggering and triggers. Okay, so this is my additional bonuses, and I will give additional exclusive bonuses, that is the semi exclusive bonuses: 50k Instagram ads design template, and a social media code design template, and a business card pack, and a CV template, and a social post design, and a landing page design, a t-shirt bundle design, and a cartoon pack. So this everything is totally free for you. If you are going to click my link in this description, first it is going to this bonus page, right? This bonus page. So this is look like that only. Once you are clicking through my link, it's going to this page, and if you are click any of the join now button, it is going to redirect in this warrior plus. And then if you are getting this product, and I will give this total